How long it takes. You guys ready? Let me count them down. Go ahead, count them down. 3, 2, 1, wave.
Okay. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
There it goes. Heading on back. Oh, nice. I can see it moving all the way back there.
There she goes.
Still going.
Keep going.
Keep going. Oh, don't look. There it is. I can still see it going back there.
It's still going.
This is a lot of people here. All right, I count that in about 30 seconds to reach the back. That's our control. Now, we're thinking let's time the ladies against the men.
Okay. So for the first wave, women only. When you see the screen countdown, I want only the women in the front, right here, to start the wave. Only the women in the crowd should be propagating that wave. So